Hey everybody, welcome back to Heat My Shorts. It's parrot time. I've been waiting a few days to actually put some batteries into this parrot. This was sent to us from Jason Hearn, a friend of ours that just thought that we needed a funny parrot mascot for the channel, and I think he's absolutely right. So, I think it's time to put some AAA batteries in this thing and see what it does. I mean, I kind of have an idea. It's a parrot. They usually repeat what you say, so I'm going to assume it's something along those lines, but I don't really know. I also can tell it has a mechanism in the wings here, so it might get some wings flapping. I'm not really... nothing in the tail. Anyways, let's get some batteries in here. Make sure we get them facing the right way. Hope you've all been having a great day today. There we go. It's been a good day here. Tighten this in there in case it gets dropped again. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh. Oh no. Polly want a cracker? Oh. Polly want a cracker? It's having trouble. Maybe because I dropped it? Maybe it's because I'm behind it? So it does short ones?
It does short ones?
Oh. Heat my shorts.
My short.
Parrot with a parrot? Oh. I don't know. Heat my shorts?
My short?
See, it takes a second.
Takes a sec.
It's probably because I dropped it. Hey? Hey? Hello? I don't think it has any buttons.
I don't think it has any buttons.
I don't know how I did that, maybe.
I don't know how I did that, maybe.
Oh.
Oh.
That's the best part, I think. So I don't know. This thing is pretty funny for sure. There's a little thingy here. I can feel...
So I don't know. This thing is pretty funny for sure. There's a little thingy here.
Oh, no. Did I break it?
Did I break it?
Nope. Either way, this is hilarious.
This is hilarious.
Thank you, Jason. Well, doesn't want to say the
I don't want to say the
things I want it to say.
things I wanted to say.
Maggie! 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 Yee! Hey, Maggie! What is this? Maggie! Maggie, Maggie, Maggie! Maggie, 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 Maggie! That's a good one.
That's a good one.
Maggie, what is that?
What is that?
What's it doing? What is that? What is it? Get it. Or maybe don't get it. Wow.
Wow.
Okay, this thing's awesome. Maggie's not sure.
Maggie's not sure.
Okay, I turned it off now. What do you think of this? She says, oh, can has? Can I have that? No, this one's not for you. This one's not for you. This one's for us. This is our parrot with a parrot. have to call her over. The parrot did it. I'm not sure if they saw that. That was a pretty cute yawn. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up. Keep it nice and short for this one. Just wanted to see what this thing does. We're definitely going to have to play around with this thing and see if we can get the timing dialed in on it or something like that. I'm not really sure, but maybe we can find some other videos on YouTube on how to get this thing working 100%, because this thing's hilarious. Could definitely have a lot of fun with this bird. Thank you very much, Jason. Really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm going to wrap the video up here. Hope you all have an awesome evening. Thanks again for taking this time to spend this time with us. Down in this corner, you'll see our HeatMyShorts logo. Click that, subscribe, join the party. In this corner, late for work. Make sure you hop over there and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And up here, 2 relevant playlists for you to enjoy. Have a great evening. We will hang out again soon. This has been HeatMyShorts with Steve and Maggie, The Maggie Show. Love you all. Thanks again, Jason. Bye-bye.